Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show a nice math Olympiad problem. Square root of x plus 2 square root of x minus 8 is equal to 4. X is equal to what? Or squaring both sides, we can write here square root of x plus 2 square root of x minus 8 whole square is equal to 4 square. Or this square cancel this square root, so here we will get x plus 2 square root of x minus 8 is equal to 4 square. That means 4 times 4 is 16. Or now taking this x to right side, we will get 2 square root of x minus 8 is equal to 16 minus x. Or again squaring both sides, we can write here 2 square root of x minus 8 whole square is equal to 16 minus x whole square. Or 2 square, that means 2 times 2 is 4, and this square cancel this square root, so here we will get x minus 8 is equal to, here we can use a algebraic expression. We know that a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. Now apply this rule, we can write 16 square minus 2 times 16 times x plus x square. Or now 4 times x is 4x, 4 times negative 8 is negative 32 is equal to 16 square. That means 16 times 16 is 256 minus 2 times 16 is 32 times x is 32x plus x square. Or you can write x square minus 32x plus 256, and taking this 4x minus 32 is right side, we will get negative 4x plus 32 is equal to 0. Or x square, now negative 32x and negative 4x is negative 36x plus 256 plus 32 is 288 is equal to 0. Now factorizing 288, we can write divided 2 we will get 144, again divided 2 we will get 72, again divided 2 we will get 36, again divided 2 we will get 18, again divided 2 we will get 9, now divided 3 we will get 3. So we can write 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 16 times 3, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 3 is 24, and 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12. So this 36x can be written as 12x and 24x and 12x. So we can write here x square minus 24x minus 12x plus 288 is equal to 0. Here we can use middle term breaking rule. Okay. Taking common x, we will get x times 24, and here taking common negative 12, we will get x minus 24 is equal to 0. Now taking common x minus 24, we will get x minus 24 times x minus 12 is equal to 0. Now from here we have two solutions, so we can write here x minus 24 is equal to 0 and x minus 12 is equal to 0. Or taking this negative 24 is right side, we will get x is equal to 24. So first solutions is x is equal to 24. or taking this negative 12 to right side, we will get x is equal to 12. So second value of x is equal to 12. Now check what is the right answer. Our question is square root of x plus 2 times square root of x minus 8 is equal to 4. Square root of x plus 2 times square root of x minus 8 is equal to 4. Here x is equal to 24, so we can write here square root of 24 plus 2 times square root of 24 minus 8. Is it equal to 4? Or square root of 24 plus 2 times square root of 24 minus 8 is 16. Is it equal to 4? Or square root of 24 plus square root of 16 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Is it equal to 4? Or square root of 24 plus 8 is 32. Is it equal to 4? Or square root of 32 can be written as 16 times 2. Is it equal to 4? So square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 2 not equal to 4. So this is rejected. Now check x is equal to 12. Our question is square root of x plus 2 times square root of x minus 8 is equal to 4. Okay, here x is equal to 12, so we can write here square root of x, that means 12 plus 2 times square root of 12 minus 8 is equal to, is it equal to 4? Or square root of 12 plus 2 times square root of 12 minus 8 is 4. Is it equal to 4? Or square root of 12 plus square root of 4 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Is it equal to 4? Or square root of 12 plus 4 is 16. Is it equal to 4? We know square root of 16 is equal to 4, so 4 is equal to 4. So our final value of x is equal to 12. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.